Hello friends, thank you for clicking on this video, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can set your Kakaotalk profile picture. So this is simple. We need to go Kakaotalk apps. You can see here. Click on it. Then this is the interface of Kakaotalk. So we need to go profile. You can see here. Click on it, and then click your profile. You can see here the profile. Click on it, and after getting this interface we need to go profile. Okay, you can see the below part here, profile. Click on it, and then you can see here the photos icon. Okay, click on it, and after clicking this, choose your picture. Okay, I choose the picture of my channel. So just simply click OK, and after choosing this, simply go done. Here you can see the right top part here. Done. Click on it. Then your profile picture has successfully created. Okay friends, uh, please make sure subscribe this channel and follow the page, and thank you for watching.